Hey, what's up guys? Jessica here at Team Debru. In today's video, I want to show you the spy tool Idvert, and we'll look into all of their features and what they have to offer in case you're interested in using spy tools for your campaigns. And before we dive into their platform, I want to make sure you join us in the AFK forum. I've left the link in the description down below for you. The open community is free charge. You can go ahead and get started today and take action and learn everything you need to know about making money online and CPA affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and get started and learn about this tool. Okay guys, so I am in their dashboard, and as you can see here, they're going to start off with the recommended offers at the top, and you can look at the type of traffic source that it was advertised on, how many ads have run, the vertical, geo, the traffic, the ad network, and when it was last updated. So that's helpful for you to get started if you are looking into what type of offers you would like to run and where the publishers are advertising those offers. And then here's going to be the trends that you can take a look at. So as you can tell, other is dominating, and then in second place would be sweepstakes, and it kind of carries that same trend throughout. So I won't be able to see the offers because I'm only in demo mode. However, if I was able to, I could just click see offers. It will pull up the ads for the offers, and it will allow me to research further by looking at the ad samples and the money pages or the landing pages, so I could rip them. And then you can break it down by geo over here per vertical. So if it's particularly a geo that you don't want to see any results for, like for example, I would recommend not running the United States as a beginner, then you can just deselect that over here. And you can do the same over here if you just want to look at a particular vertical that piques your interest. And then you would do the same with all of the other geos if there happens to be a particular geo that you're not too interested in seeing any information for. And the same thing down here for the traffic sources. So as you can tell, the native ads are dominating. Now I do focus on mostly push notifications on this channel, but because I get a lot of inspiration from native ads, and because native ads and push ads are kind of on the rise right now, as you can see, most of the performance for Facebook is virtually non-existent because these verticals are not allowed on Facebook. And then sweepstakes are allowed, but you run into a lot of problems with the type of advertising model that Facebook boasts about. So you end up getting your account shut down and your ads are not getting approved. So that's probably why some marketers may turn to push notification ads or even native ads in that sense. So I like how both are similar because you have to engage with the user inconspicuously. The ad is going to blend in with whatever website that they're browsing on, or it's going to blend in with their notification bar on their mobile phone if they're receiving it to their mobile phone. So, you know, they have their similarities, they have their differences, but you can definitely draw inspiration from native ads, which is kind of why I wanted to look at this tool, even though they have nothing about push ads in it. So I just want to clear that up. All right, so after you look at the traffic sources, you can take a look at the specific verticals individually. So it breaks down what vertical these publishers offer per website. And as you can tell, it's this other situation again. So if we had access, we could break it down and figure out what specific offers they are, take a look at the ads for them. But for like this one website is booming with sweepstakes. This one is also booming with sweepstakes. It's just the color changed. This one is kind of on the fence with 50-50 with sweepstakes and other. So those are the kind of balances that I would definitely be interested in looking at as far as targeting is concerned. So I'm going to actually go to this one that kind of knocked it out of the park for sweepstakes, see what kind of offers they were promoting. So you see a lot of keto stuff in the affiliate networks that were involved, and you know, you see a lot of Bitcoin stuff. So these are going to be the type of ads that you can expect to be able to get engagement from for these publishers. And so if I find the one that ran on Facebook, this one got 4 million impressions. It is going to be a mobile casino and an online casino. So if that's something, that is something you can actually run on Facebook. I have found a lot of examples through spy tools for casinos, so something to consider. So for Germany and Canada is where they were targeting, and this is going to be the particular publishers for the ad network. So you can take a look here. Let's see how many publishers were involved. All right, that's a good breakdown. Here are the money pages. So the money pages for this offer, I'm assuming are the landing pages. I have to read up on that. Here are going to be the ad examples, and I'm assuming if there is a video, it would give you a breakdown. And then here are going to be the devices they targeted for the native ads, and here are going to be the devices that were targeted for the adult ads on that site, and here's going to be the domain analysis for the website. You can look at the rank by country, so you know particular targeting you need to be setting up in your campaign. You can look at the stats over a course of months if you want to look into optimization as far as when you should be running your campaigns. And then here kind of gives you an overlook of the links. So what I would draw from looking at the links is if there is a website that's pulling in payments, I kind of like that because people are spending money, and if I'm running a push notification ad, I want them to be a qualified lead. And so eventually I know that the advertiser is going to try to sell this person something. So if my targeting is good, they'll click on the ad and they'll convert. And so if they have something like PayPal or Salesforce linked to that website, that piques my interest because that lets me know that they're collecting funds for something, and I would definitely like to be a part of that. So that is just an overview of a particular offer. So as I mentioned, I'm not able to show you what a money page is or how to download one. But so let's pretend like we can go into ad samples, and oh, I can go into the ad samples. So we're in the ad samples, and does it give us a breakdown? It does for traffic source. So this is looking at Facebook ads right now. So for this particular traffic source, you can, okay, undefined. So here are going to be some ads that we probably couldn't see. Here goes someone using a celebrity. They're brave. Here goes an interesting image. Let's see. Some more about diet and keto. All right. And then, okay, this is a good one. It's food. That's easy to get across someone. And I can't go any further because I need to upgrade. All right, so let's look at the native. I got nothing. I got nothing. Okay, so when you click on the offer, it's supposed to redirect you, I guess, to a page for you to download the money page. Let me see. No, I can't. They are not showing me. Okay, is that it? Here it is. All right, so you click learn more. So I guess this would have taken you to the website, and this gives you a breakdown of the ad, and then this is the page that you can download. Here's your redirect, and here is the offer page. Okay, amazing. So this would be the engagement trending, like the likes, and then they will give you the breakdown of the genders to target, your interest distribution. So when you're doing your targeting, whether or not you should go for brand, websites, or other. And here go your geos. And then here goes another domain analysis like we saw for the publisher that we dived into. Okay, cool. So that is how you would take a look at how this ad was run. This one was mainly on social, obviously, because we are on the Facebook one. Let me see if I can find one that gives me any information about being run on native. And I think that would probably be this. Oh, wrong one. Oh, I can't do the learn more. Oh, they played me. All right, let me see what this shop now is. Okay, so iOS Singapore. Here's the offer. It's a video. But look at how they did their copy, right? Oh, MG, this tool works like magic and leaves your car looking brand new. Get yours here. Now, that's pretty damn good. Here's their engagement trending. So they got a lot of engagement on it when they ran this campaign. They targeted males. Okay, this one's giving us some more information. They're just a general interest distribution. I don't think I can click into that any further. The geo distribution. Oh gosh, okay. All right, this tool is slowly warming up on me, but I really don't, I'm still not there. But we'll let you be the judge. This is for you. All right, and look, they do shipping, they do payments, they have a store. All right, so you would want to run ads to that one because they have people spending money on their website. So that was that example. They're going to let me look at another one. Let's just look at all the ones they're going to let me look at. All right, here's one with eggs. Like, why are you cracking the egg? This is the routine I added to my mornings in order to bring back the color of my hair. You're right. I would have no clue how eggs are about to help your hair, but I would click on that ad because it piqued my interest. I have no clue where it's going, and look at there. All that engagement. Good job, females, Philippines, and then they did community for that one. All right, so this is a pretty good break. Okay, here we go. Here's a breakdown of other traffic sources. So we have paid traffic referrals, social, and they have direct. I like. Okay, so you can take a look at it. They aren't selling anything, but they are breaking in links from somewhere else from their referrals, as you can see. They aren't lying about that. Okay, so that's cool. Let's see if I got another one. We did that one. We did that one. We did not do Homegirl here. I do like that dress, so I probably rock that dress, to be honest with you. With some black heels, some curls. All right, so oh yeah, they know what they're doing. Ladies have some style in these geos. Look at that. Look at that. The dress is the bomb. I'm not gonna lie. The girl's body is fire. And then age is a little concerning to me. Like, they're not even targeting my age, but okay. Females, obviously, clothing. Here we go. Here's the website that it was being advertised on, a little chick site. Probably dominate Instagram with this one. All right, and here's social, yeah, direct and search. Okay, so they got some money, honey. They were trying it out, and then here you're gonna. Oh, psh, I'm a genius. Instagram, Messenger, all of that stuff. All right, so yeah, that takes care. But diet, whole, see, shit like that makes you think twice. Like, this is definitely not diet, but better get on y'all game. All right, what's going on with this keto girl? What you got, keto girl? Strong keto brand. Last seen in May. So not even running because it is August. I had to look at the calendar to know what day of the month it was. All right, so I got all of this, all of that, all of this. This the same. Bada bing, bada boom. I have no idea how this network website has anything to do with keto, but roll with it. Look at the bounce rate though. Ah, horrible. All right, so but they are not collecting any money, so I wouldn't give them time of day. So that is that. Do I have another example? I think we did them because I like their ad copy. All right, Nicole Kidman, what you got? What you got, Nicole? She has a lot of redirects. She has a money page. She has an offer page for you to look at. I can't see it though. Yeah, no. The engagement, the interest. I like how they did the interest distribution though. That's kind of helpful for people who are like, what the hell is going on with this site? Did they shut down? Damn. All right. Okay, she's all happy Instagram girl. What you happy about, homie? They're lying. This don't even go together. I already know for a fact those don't even go together. I'm a little concerned about these age ratios though. I'm concerned, but I'm not concerned. Like, that outfit had me concerned. Like, women of that age have no business wearing a dress like that. But it's just like they show no love to people my age. United States is killing the game, and social is killing the game. So I don't know what. I wish I could see the native stuff so I could get like a broad overview of the ad examples. All right, I'm gonna do probably. I think I only got one more. I'm tired of this diet shit. What you doing, yoga girl? Why are your butt in the air? Today is a special day. I have a big announcement for the wonderful women of the Facebook community, as myself, I know. Right now, you have the opportunity to get your hands on the ultimate yoga kit start kit for free. I've been thinking about different ways so I could give back to the amazing community. Who is I? I don't know you, ma'am. See, weird shit like that. Who are you? But anyway, people don't care. They're like, yeah, sis, pass it up. And look at this engagement. Here, all right. 35 to 100 females, it's complex. Now that, if anything I've seen today, is probably the most accurate because women are 100% complex. Um, yeah, there we go. So I think I've dived into this network the most I can because it's no fun because I can't go into the native part or the adult part. So there you have it. So let me know if you want to check out Idvert. How you like them. If there are any other spy tools you want me to dive into. See if I can get my greasy hands on a demo. So, because I think with their demo, oh, I know what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you guys a money page. Hold on. Because I couldn't get one, right? So what I did earlier is I went to their wiki. And, all right, here it is. So you find the offer like we did before. And you download it and then you view it. You make sure you want the stuff first. And you're like, yeah, I like that. Let me get that. And here go the ads that we just saw. So cool. And then there's the link. Remember we clicked and it was like, there it goes. Okay, so then you download and you get your images and you do your HTML. It's pretty straightforward. That's why I was like, it can't be that difficult for them to be blocking me from it. But they don't want me to get their stuff. And I don't blame them because I'm not paying for this probably. $150 a month? Yeah, right. I'd rather blow that on propeller ads. So let me know what you guys think about this spy tool. And I will catch you guys in the forum. If you don't have any questions for me in the comments down below, make sure you direct them to us in the forum. That link is going to be available for you in the description down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.